In spring, you can hear the robin in the background there. Oh, isn't he lovely? In spring, you see these beautiful daffodils coming up all over the place. Same with crocus, same with tulips, same with hyacinths. Now, these are bought in autumn time, just before the Christmas decorations go into the garden centre. There's racks and racks up there. You buy them in little bulbs, you plant them in the ground, and they come up again in spring. You may think to yourself, oh, I see all these lovely daffodils in spring, and you can't buy bulbs in garden centre. That's why, because they go in autumn. You can buy them potted, like this in spring, to put in your garden, but you're paying a lot more for it. So autumn time for spring flowering bulbs. Now, what about summer bulbs? Things like gladioli that are in the garden, and also things like dahlias and begonias and the like. Well, they go into the garden centres just after the Christmas decorations. Have a look at the colour of these beautiful flowers here. So they go into garden centres January, February time for planting out for summer colour. So it is sandwiching Christmas. Autumn time, just before Christmas, all the spring flowering bulbs come into the centres, and buy them then and plant them out for spring colour. And then just after Christmas, when all the decorations go out of the garden centre, January, February time, you've got the summer flowering bulbs, which you can buy and put out into the garden. And buying them in bulbs, you get a lot more plant for your money, and they'll stay in your garden and keep growing and becoming more and more each year. Aren't they beautiful?